Hi guys, I have a new video for you guys today. I am starting off with some 4-inch cake rounds. This is my moist chocolate cake recipe that I am using, along with my buttercream that I added some Oreo crumbs to it. I'm filling in each of my cake layers with the Oreo buttercream and just repeating the process. Now that I have it nice and stacked, I can start with my crumb coat. Since this is a smaller cake, I'm going back in and just filling in all the gaps in between my cakes before I start my crumb coat. I'm finishing off the top with my crumb coat and then just placing this onto the side. Once it's nice and chilled from the refrigerator, I can start on my final frosting. And I have a piping bag of both my Oreo buttercream and some green buttercream. I'm piping layers in between to make stripes out of my buttercream. I actually saw this trend on social media with the Oreo striped, and so I thought I'd give it a try. I'm filling in the gaps in between my buttercream and then just smoothing it out one more time. And then I'm just smoothing off the top and then getting ready for my chocolate drip. For the chocolate drip, I am using a black candy melt today. I made sure that my ganache was nice and at room temperature so that it didn't melt my buttercream. I'm putting a dollop onto the top as well also and just covering the top of my cake. I'm using a 1M tip for the top, and I'm placing an Oreo cookie in between each, and then I'm just repeating the process. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is my version of an Oreo striped cake. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I did this tutorial. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And again, if you guys have any suggestions of what you'd like to see, don't forget to let me know. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video.